Hey, yeah, kids, and Merry Christmas from that one Windows fan. Yes, I'm currently. This video is going up on Christmas Day, December 25th, but I'm actually recording this on the 22nd, and I still have to do some days of everyone's Christmas, so yeah, but. It's always good to prepare. So, remember in episode 26 when I said that the runners up for this little poll that I put up in September would eventually get the episodes? Well, Windows 11 won that poll, so it was episode 25. macOS 10.2 Jaguar was the runner, was the next one up, so I made that episode 26, and the third up is Windows NT 3.1, so Windows NT 3.1 is episode 27. How nice. So, yeah. Now this is going to be a little more complicated to install than, your normal, everyday Windows, so I'm just gonna, yeah. Also, I'm not going to be installing any drivers, just the base operating system. That's it. Anyways, let's begin. So, let's just call this, NT 3.1, and make it NT 3.x. That much. That'll do. Okay. So now, we're going to do that. And, first of all, we're going to put this ISO in, but also, we need a boot floppy, so... that. I don't think anything else needs changing. Okay, nothing else needs changing, so we can just start it, I guess. Well, that was a very quick, that was a very quick load up, so let's press setup. C. Go with that. Sure, let's go to NTFS format. WinNT. Okay, so now I think we're gonna have to. Okay, so we're going to power this off. Now we're gonna go to settings. Change this to this, and CPU fix for NT 3.1. So I think, okay, so I think we're going to type fix.bat. Okay, and reboot. Oh, that's not good. Okay, I've experienced this before, but I keep forgetting how to fix it. I'm just gonna enable these. Okay, there we go. That's what you had to do. Okay, hopefully I remember that. I'm going to scale this to 300. Oh no, that's too big. 200. If I put it on the in-betweeners, like 225, 250, it'll just look blurry. So, yeah. Pure name, just call it not WinTN, WinNT. Just do that. Don't do that. Just no network. Just no network. And yeah, we don't need a username. Yeah, we don't need that. Date, time, okay. No floppy disks are in the. No floppy disks are in here, right? No, nothing's in there. Okay, just don't create the emergency repair disk, please. So let's just remove the CD and restart. Okay, we can just do that, and I'm pretty sure we just type administrator here. Yep, there we are. So everyone, this is Windows NT 3.1. So yeah, everyone, that's it for episode 27 of Everyone. I almost said of Everyone is Christmas. Remember, I'm filming of Everyone is Christmas. As I'm filming this video. You should totally go check out the entire series, by the way. You know, with it being Christmas, it'd be a great time to do that. And yeah. So, anyways, Merry Christmas, and yeah, that's it for episode 27 of almost said Everyone's Christmas again of VM installation. All right.